This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello there, welcome to the channel. This is Will. We are having an amazing couple of days inside Jonny Blockchain. All of this thanks to the market conditions, the new price of Bitcoin, with all that happened with the ETF, that is helping all of these tokens to have some movement. Any of these tokens are great alternatives to generate profits, but most importantly is the strategy that we are using with these tokens. The results during the last few days is just a small taste of all the power that we have with Jonny Blockchain. The last 3 coins that I added to my list, you saw that in my previous video. I got this one, Edges, starting on the 28th of February, and I already got a 130%. I got Jasmine, same day, and now we got a 108%. We also added this one, Fed, same day. We already have a 110%. And even this new Bitcoin bot that I added the same day, it produced a 12%. All of this in the last few days. Let me show you the results I got in the last 7 days. That made me a 208 USDT. Only today we got a 47 USDT, and that is only with a capital of 1,600 that I have there in Binance. Super solid automation. This is the perfect tool that we need in our arsenal of passive income opportunities. Not only because it's secure, we have full control of our capital, but also it's because the strategies are going to be perfect for the upcoming bull run. And if you want to be ready for that season, you better take a look at this. Well, it's not a financial advice. Remember, anything in this space has a risk. The risk here is about the market conditions. Probably it would be a good idea not to compound. Let the bot make profit for us, collect those profits, because this is going to be the time to do that. I'm going to increase my position here. Actually, I was talking to Jeremy, asking to add some new coins that I have on my watch list. He said they're gonna analyze the token to see if it's a good idea to add it here. Anyways, I have my watch list in the description of this video if you want to see what I'm following these days. If you know about any interesting coin, please let me know down below in the comment section, or you can also find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. That's all that I want to share with you today. My returns during the last week. I'm going to come back again, as usual, with my progress and my earnings inside Jonny Blockchain. If you have any questions, now you know where to find me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will really appreciate your support, and I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.